And today we're going to test them out by building our very own spaghetti beam bridge. Are you ready? We'll begin by setting the 2 chairs or cardboard boxes side by side. In our case, we have 2 stacks of books. We need to leave a gap only 2 inches or 5 centimeters less than the length of a piece of spaghetti. So, in our instance, we have an inch on either side of the spaghetti, giving us 2 inches. Next, we're going to use our hole punch to create 2 small holes right under the rim of our plastic or paper cup. We're placing the holes directly opposite from one another. Okay. Next, we need to tie the string to the holes in our cup to create a handle so the cup is like a bucket. Fizztastic! Now, we're going to bend the paperclip into either an S or C-shaped hook. This hook will hang from the string handle onto the spaghetti bridge. The C hook might work better for more strands of spaghetti, while the S hook might work better for less strands of spaghetti. Excellent. S hook and our C hook. First, we have a single strand of spaghetti across the gap on our bridge supports. Our first goal is to hang the cup on the strand of spaghetti. Let's carefully add 1 penny into the cup at a time. But first, we're going to continue to add pennies until the strand of spaghetti breaks. Oh, break! So, now we're going to count how many pennies were in the bucket at the breaking point.
17.
17! We got 17 pennies in our bucket before it breaks. Marvelous! Let's write that number down inside your journal. Next, we're going to test this again, but we're going to use 5 pieces of spaghetti. We're going to use those rubber bands to wrap their ends together so they stay together tight. And then we'll repeat the weight test. All right, so now we're going to begin adding our pennies to the cup. That's all of our pennies. Wow. So we've got some other coins here to begin measuring with. Oh, it snapped. Wow. Let's see how much money it took for us to break 5 strands of spaghetti. While they count that, I'm going to prepare another bundle of 10 strands of spaghetti for our next test.
134 pennies.
How many nickels, dimes, and quarters?
Plus 3 nickels and 2 dimes.
3 nickels and 2 dimes. Okay, so we did 5, we did 10, we did 1. We're going to go ahead and skip over to 25.
Soon enough. 24 to go.
Oh!
Okay,
here we go, right? So, what we're finding is that single strands in our spaghetti are breaking. It could be the quality of our spaghetti as opposed to the bundle itself. I hope that you'll continue to go ahead and try more and more strands of spaghetti. How much will 50 hold? 100? 150 strands of spaghetti? You may need to get more pennies, a larger cup, and probably a higher towel. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed our fizztastic experiment.